Hello and welcome to my channel once again. Today I will be discussing about one of the most common problems that you might face while using your digital multimeter. So let's check that out. Let's check out the problem. It's very simple. See, I'm switching on the multimeter and putting it into the continuity test. But on putting it in the continuity test, its buzzer is switched on automatically. The buzzer is usually switched on when the resistance is found less than 50 ohms. But in this case, we are finding that the buzzer is switched on its own, and even if you ignore this fact and try to find the resistance of any resistor, then it will give you a faulty measurement. So let's check that out too. So after connecting the probes, the black one into the common and the red one over here, I will measure the resistance of this 100 ohm resistor. While measuring, just put one terminal fixed with a hand and the other terminal like this, and I will put it into 200 ohm range. It's 200 ohm range over here, and let's try it. You see it's showing 5.9 ohm approximately. That is giving a wrong measurement. So what can be done to solve this problem? Now remember that your multimeter has two fuses in it, one over here and the other over here. This one is a 10 ampere fuse and 250 volt, and this one is a 200 milliampere 250 volt fuse. So this problem generally arises when this fuse over here, this one F1, generally gets dead. So the best thing is to replace the fuse with similar specification. So let's do it. Now while opening your multimeter, you should be quite careful that you have removed the probes from here and should remove this casing very carefully. See, there's some informations provided over here at the back, and there are three screws, one over here and the other two over here. I have already opened the screws beforehand, so I don't need to open them. I just need to open the back cover, and you should be very careful. This is the inner circuit of the multimeter, and this is the battery, and these are the two fuses. This is F1 and this is F2. So this one is a 250 milliampere 250 volt fuse, and this one is a 10 ampere and 250 volt fuse. So this one is probably dead. So let's check that out. You just need to take this fuse very carefully, and yeah, I've taken the fuse out, and just check this once again, this F1, and I will try to show you in this open condition, and you should be very careful about it. You see it's buzzing in the continuity test, so our assumption was correct. Now I will replace this fuse with a new one which I have got over here. I will replace this and place it over here carefully. I fixed the fuse once again, and now I will test it and see whether it's working or not. Yes, you see it's not buzzing anymore on its own, means the multimeter is back to its working condition once again. So let's check it out. Now I'm putting back the cover of the multimeter very carefully and gently, and then put the three screws over here. Don't make them too tight, or else you will not be able to open it next time you want to take out the back cover of a multimeter. Just gently put them out. Now I'm putting the case over here. and the probes once again to test a resistor. Now I'm first testing the continuity test and see the resistance is less than 50 ohms right now, and the multimeter is showing the continuity test quite nicely. And the test of the resistance, so here is the 100 ohm resistance which I have with me, and I've put the indicator to 200, and you see it's almost 99. It's around 98 and 99, and it's quite less due to the manufacturing defects and all. So this is the best way to fix a multimeter, and I hope you might face this problem while using a multimeter. And thanks for watching this video, and if you like my video, please put a like on it, and don't forget to subscribe my video and share. Thank you very much.